Hi everyone! Today we are diving into a fascinating journey from the chalk-dusted blackboards of Einstein to the silicon chips of modern artificial intelligence. How did we leap from relativity to robots that think? Let's find out. It all begins with Albert Einstein. You know him, right? The wild-haired genius who figured out that time and space are, well, relative. His theories of relativity didn't just redefine physics, they reshaped our understanding of the universe. But where does AI come into this picture? Fast forward from the early 20th century to the mid-1940s and meet Alan Turing, often called the father of modern computing. Turing proposed that machines could simulate any conceivable act of mathematical deduction. This idea is the foundation of AI, the ability for machines to process and manipulate symbols, laying groundwork similar to human thought. But here's where it gets interesting. Einstein's theories suggested that the universe could be predicted and understood as a series of cause and effect. Turing took this deterministic universe and asked, can a machine think? His Turing test was revolutionary, setting a benchmark that still challenges and inspires AI development today. Now, let's zoom into the present. AI systems learn and adapt. They are not just following programmed instructions, but are capable of observing, learning, and making decisions. This adaptability was influenced by our understanding of physics, that at the most fundamental level, the universe operates in patterns that can be learned. What's even more exciting is quantum computing. Quantum computers use principles of quantum mechanics, which Einstein helped pioneer. These computers could one day process information at speeds inconceivable with today's technology, pushing AI into realms we've barely begun to explore. So from Einstein's chalkboard equations to the quantum future, the evolution of AI is not just a technological saga, but a profound continuation of human thought and inquiry. Who knows what mysteries AI will unravel next? Thank you for watching. If you're fascinated by how ideas in physics have propelled the digital age, share and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, keep questioning and keep exploring. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video.